good day all and welcome back. So today let's see how we can manage withholding taxes in Order 40. So withholding tax is also known as a retention tax and it is a government requirement for the payer of a customer invoice to withhold or reduce the tax amount from the payment and pay that tax amount to the government. So here from accounting, you can view all the customer invoices. So with normal taxes, the tax amount is added to the subtotal to give the total to pay. So here you can see the taxes, and so the amounts are tax amount is added to the subtotal. So as opposed to normal taxes, withholding taxes are deducted from the amount to pay as a tax will be paid by the customer. So that is a tax will be paid by the customer to government. So first we have to configure this withholding tax. So under configuration, you can view taxes. So you can create a new tax from here. So I'm creating retention 10%. Okay, so this withholding tax or retention tax is defined by creating a negative tax. So if you are computing the price, the tax amount by percentage of price, here we can set the percentage. So I'm creating the retention 10% and here giving a negative because you're creating a negative tax. Okay. Then in order to make it appear as a retention on the invoice, you should set a specific tax group on your tax. So we have to set the retention tax here, tax group here. Okay, so now we can say the tax and you can use it in your products, sales orders or invoices. Okay, so here we can see retention 10%. Okay, now we can go to products and set it as a default tax for some products. So here we can view acoustic block screens. So here we can set a default customer tax. So I'm setting retention 10%. Okay, so now we can create a new invoice. So I'm adding the product acoustic block screen for which I have set a default tax retention 10%. So you can see automatically it is added here. And from here also it's possible to change the tax. Okay, so below you can see the retention amount 10% of the price is deducted from the subtotal. So here we can see negative 295. So this much amount is reduced from the subtotal and you can see here the total amount that need to be paid by the customer. So this amount can be directly paid by the customer to the government. Okay, so from here we can confirm and register the payment. So that's how we manage withholding taxes. And we have also done a video on how to configure or manage taxes in Order 14. So we can go through that. And so we can see in detail how taxes are created and configured. And if you have any queries related to this topic or Odoo 14 accounting or other modules, you can add your comments below.